Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're looking at a VIX cash trending lower once again today, down to 15.25, which is the lowest level in just over a month for the VIX cash, as we continue to see realized volatility trending lower. We're looking at 10-day realized volatility down to 7% now, dropping quite substantially in the last 2 weeks, as we continue to see 30-day realized volatility holding steady week over week, right around 10%, but that is the low end of the range for the entire year. At the money straddle in the SPX, 10.8%, 30 days out, and an implied volatility reading. So we're seeing options continuing to come in at and around the at the money strikes. Looking at the skew factor, though, we're seeing that actually moving out this week out to 157, so pushing back up towards the top end of the range. So demand for way out of the money puts appears to be back in play as the SPX continues to grind higher. Looking at the roll market, moving into expiration week for the VIX Futures, out to $2.60. So we're seeing that widen 20 cents today between August and September. September-October roll market, $1.40. So again, a little bit of steepening there as well. But the really interesting thing here is looking at the steepness of the curve when you look from August 21 to March of 2022. $7.20 of skew in that reading from the term structure when you look at the August futures all the way out to the March futures. So again, very steep curve here in the VIX futures moving out to next year. VVIX, measure implied volatility and VIX options, 118.5, holding pretty firm as we continue to see the VIX futures moving quite substantially. And you're looking at at and out of the money puts. Very active in August. Big action in the 15, 16, and 17 put lines in August moving into expiration. We're seeing some activity in way out of the money calls in September and November today as well. Next week, I want to point out we have several things. Retail sales, Fed minutes coming out in the middle of the week. We have earnings continue to roll out. Also, infrastructure negotiations and the COVID-19 storyline will continue to influence the vol structure as we move into next week.